New tool day, lads. A new hammer sent in care of Sturnus hand tools. Sent this in for a test and a review. So a test we shall do. Let's get a look at her. Oh, look at that. A Sturnus 13 ounce. Straight claw, long handle. Aluminium shaft, forged hammer. There's obviously not a solid forged handles, aluminium. That's actually a nice weight. I thought 13 ounces was actually a wee bit light, but that freaking long handle, that feels brilliant. Eh? Aluminium handle, solid forged, and then a forged steel head. Two are pressed on them. Bait on. Look at that. There's no separating them two. That is on there. This one, they're all 13 ounce. Straight claw, long shank. This one's a mull face. You also get a smooth face as well. I prefer the smooth one myself. This is more of a rafters or a roofing hammer. Better grip, you know, for bigger nails. I would use a hammer sometimes on the 16 gauge, you know, to finish off if you're using a DeWalt gun or something, because they don't always sink every nail. So I prefer the smooth one, but this is still going to see plenty of use. Look at that there, hey. That is nice. It's well balanced. That is nice in the hand. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. They said they sent this in for a wee test out. This crowd Sturnus. There's an aluminium core, anti-vibration, labor reducing. Look at that, hey, that's a thing of beauty. That's a really, really nice hammer. So myself, I would normally be using the E-swings. That's a 28 ounce, same sort of size, same sort of claws. And that thing there, you're not going to be swinging that all day. It's a good hammer, but she's bloody heavy. Big head on it. It's big because you need the weight. It is a 28 ounce, that's what you bought it for. That thing there, that's so much lighter. You could be swinging that all day, hey? Because that long length as well, you get a really good swing in the damn thing. Decent grip as well, with actual grips on the aluminium shaft the whole way down. That aluminium shaft goes all the way down, and a bore hole through it as well, so that handle is not going to slip off and it's not going to start twisting. That is really nice. Well ground off, finished, nicely made. And then a wee nail starter also. So we magnet in the head for starting off a nail. So you'll sit and hold that. Allows you to put your first swing. Nice. Not the best of swings been here because there's shelves above me. That is nice, eh? That's the paint off anyway. Didn't even take that much off. That's a thick and good hammer, eh? That is thick and decent, eh? You can really wail on that thing. You can get a good square finish. So yeah, Sturnus tools. They ship these things worldwide. That is a beautiful hammer. So outside of that there, you get onto the likes of the east wing. And outside of the east wing, once you go up from the east wing, you get into the likes of Boss Hammer Co. or Stiletto. Really expensive hammers, the likes of the titanium hammers and all. Like, really, you're going to have a couple of €100 for them there. That's once you get away from the big east wings. So this is like a happy medium between the two. Solid forged steel hammers, and then composite hammers then, ones that use titanium, stuff like that there. So this is a nice aluminium shaft, steel head hammer. And nice it is. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. Look forward to testing this out in a couple of weeks. Be up with Donegal Shepherd Hut Company again, doing another framing up. We'll give that a good test out then.